What a beautiful day it is here in Northern California. It is just fall in the air and it's only early September. But anyway, welcome to Module 5. This module is known as the class module. And I'm overlapping a little bit here because I know many of you have not finished 4, but that's okay. If you have, you can go on to 5. If not, it's ready for you when you're ready for it. Um, Remember again, the pacing dates are just there for helping you. Don't get confused with them that that's the final date that you can submit that particular assignment. The final date is the final date of the module, and I usually reiterate that a couple times. Anyway, you'll be able to find the final date. It'll be listed somewhere on your schedule or on Canvas. I know some people were confused by the pacing dates, so I want to get this straight that you can hand it in after that, and I will grade. Also remember to do your 2 posts. This time I've taken off the 2 posts for the prior knowledge, so you don't have to do that. This is going to be a much smaller or shorter, less concentration than Module 4. And I told you Module 4 was going to be really tight, and it is. There's a lot that was expected of you. So you'll be able to relax for this module, and actually the next 2 will be the same, and then in Module 8 we'll have another research project, but that one won't be that difficult either. This used to be a big module. It had 3 topics in it, so I've separated them, so that's why we have the 3 different modules, 5, 6, and 7, and they will each take concentrate more on the other things that are there. The first of these is the one on class. What do you know about the term class? Use your prior knowledge drop box to reflect on what you already know about that topic. The objectives for this module are research the demographics of today's schools. You'll be able to do that because within the online content there is a demographic link, and you'll be able to go to different neighborhoods and see what this neighborhood the school is in, and then check the demographics out. And I think it's interesting to do that because that way you can be sure that you have a diverse school. The next objective we're going to be working on is describe how socioeconomic status can exert influence on the educational experience. And if you've been in a Title I school, you know, or if you go to a Title I school, you'll know how that socioeconomic factor influences what's going on in that particular school. Your first assignment, of course, is the prior knowledge. And then be sure you have that there. There's a reminder in the online content. The online content will come on the list next. Number 2 is about the demographic information. There's some things in there that I think are very interesting, some videos, and I want you to, it's probably going to be a lengthy response that you're going to make to that because there's several questions built into that prior knowledge area, built into that discussion area by assignment 2. Assignment 3 is your case studies. We're going to go to chapter 5 of your textbook. Notice how this is jumping around, but it is also corresponding with the way I'm doing this particular thing. So we are jumping around the textbook a bit, but that's okay because they're not connected. The chapters aren't really connected anyway. And of course, your last thing is your reflection that you're going to do on this particular module. Remember, I look at the reflection to see what did you learn? What did you get out of it? What did you know more about class than you knew when you did your prior knowledge? That's why I ask you to take your prior knowledge without going in and making, getting a definition from a dictionary. I want to know what you know, and we're going to build on that. And it's okay if it's not the same as what you think it should be. I think that's it. So good luck on Module 5, and I will see you next time.